Hello and welcome back. Today I filmed a hot pink and purple look. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to prime my eyelids. Starting with the shade MFEO from the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill 1 palette, keeping it in the crease and in the outer half. Packing the shade Sissy all over the lid and bringing it back over the other corner. This is such a pretty pinky gold shade. The base is more pink than shows up on the lid. Packing the ColourPop single in Slave to Pink on the center of the lid for a pop of hot pink. This pink has a purple sparkle, also it does stain the eyelids. Going in with the shade Royalty in the outer corner and slightly through the top of the crease. This is a beautiful royalty purple shade. I'm using it to deepen the outer corner and create the shape I want. Going back in with more of the hot pink. These ColourPop single shadows are so good. This one's a putty formula, so it applies best with a finger. Be warned though, this one stains. Setting the brow bone with the light cream shade beam. Starting my base with the Laura Geller Spackle Hydrating Primer, keeping my face moisturized so my makeup doesn't look cakey. Using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in shade Fair Beige to cover dark circles and chin breakouts, but those are pretty much gone. I let the concealer dry down for a few minutes before blending it out. That helps the concealer stay more pigmented where you place it. Applying the e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter in shade 1 to just the perimeters of my face. A product like this blends so much better with the hands. Brush leaves streaks. Sponge lifts more product than I'd like it to. For extra coverage, I'm using my half and half mix of the Halo Glow and my Revlon Colorstay foundation in shade 110. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Camo Liquid Blush in Dusty Rose for a natural flush of color. Setting my under eyes with the Halo Glow. Setting powder in shade Light with the Halo Glow Powder Puff. For oil control, I'm setting my T-zone with the Coty Airspun in Translucent with the Powder Puff. I wanted this to be a more matte look, so I'm lightly setting the rest of my face with a brush and Coty Airspun. I let everywhere I press powder, set, and bake for a few minutes before dusting away the excess. Bronzing with the Revolution X Fortnite Face Palette to warm up my face. Adding the Rosy Goldie Blush Topper. Using the Putty Highlight from the ColourPop Just a Flush Cheek Palette. It's so pretty and glittery and wet looking. Framing the bottom lash line with the shade Sissy. Using Royalty on the outer edge to connect it with the outer corner. Highlighting the inner corner with the ColourPop Face Palette. Filling in my brows with the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil in deep brown. This weekend I'm going to tint my brows so I don't have to fill them in for a few weeks lol. Setting them in place all day with the e.l.f. Brow Lift Gel. Lining and tightlining my eyes with the e.l.f. No Budge Retractable Eyeliner in black. Finishing the eyes with the e.l.f. Lash and Roll Mascara in black. I think a set of lashes would really pull this look together, but lash time. I used lashes. I glued my eye shut. Lining and filling in my lips with the Vintage by Jessica Liebeskind Cashmere Pencil in Mocha. Topping with the e.l.f. Faux Face Satin Lipstick in Dirty Talk. I almost forgot to set my makeup, using the e.l.f. Power Grip Dewy Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.